Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove viruses from your Windows 10, 11 computer or laptop. Viruses and malware can slow down your system, steal personal information, or even cause permanent damage. But don't worry, I got you covered with easier steps to remove all viruses. If this video helps you, please make sure to subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. First of all, we are gonna use Windows Defender for a quick scan. Windows 10 and 11 has Windows Defender, which provides built-in protection against viruses and malware. So we are gonna open it first. Normally, click on the Start menu and select the gear icon of Settings, and after then select Update and Security. And from here, select Windows Security, and you will see an option like this. Normally, click on Virus and Threat Protection. And here you will see an option, Quick Scan. Click on that, and it will start to scan your device. Windows Defender will check for any common threats and viruses on your system. If threats are found, follow the on-screen instructions to remove them. Alright, now we are going to run a full system scan with Windows Defender. If the quick scan doesn't detect anything, you can run a full scan, which checks your entire system for viruses and malware. So normally click on the scan options, and from here choose full scan, and then select Scan Now button. This may take some time depending on the number of files of your PC, so be patient. If threats are found, follow the on-screen instructions to remove all of them. Alright, now we are going to talking about the step 3. We are going to use MALWARES to find and remove malware. While Windows Defender is great, sometimes third-party tools like MALWARES can find and remove additional types of malware. So we are going to download it first. Normally we have to open the browser and we have to search here MALWARES and open the first website, and from here click on this free download button and install this file. Click on install, select personal, select skip this for now, and here you can see that it's installing. It will also take some time, so be patient. After then, click on Open MALWARES, and it will open the app, and then perform a scan. Click on Scan Now, and it will take some time to scan your PC. MALWARES will check for malware and other unwanted software. If it detects anything, it will recommend removal. Click on Quarantine or Remove then to delete the detected threats. Step 4. We are gonna use ADW Cleaner to remove adware. Adware can often be bundled with free software showing unwanted ads and slowing down your computer. ADW Cleaner is a great tool to remove these annoying programs. So we are going to download it first. Normally open the browser overview and search on the address bar ADW Cleaner. Open the first website and click on free download. Install the file. Give the permission by pressing yes. Click on install and select skip this for now. And finally, open again and click on Scan. ADW Cleaner will look for adware, browser hijackers, and other unwanted programs. After the scan, click on Clean and Repair then to remove the unwanted programs. Now we are going to check for suspicious programs in Task Manager. So we have to open the Task Manager, and to open it, normally right-click on the Task Manager bar and select Task Manager. And now go to Processes tab, and here you can see that it's the current tab, and look for any programs using a lot of CPU or memory that you don't recognize. For example, MALWARES is taking a lot of power usage. So normally right click on that and select in task to stop them temporarily. Now we are going to talk about the step 6. We are going to uninstall suspicious programs. So normally we have to open the settings, select the gear icon, and from here select apps, and scroll through the list of installed programs and uninstall anything that looks suspicious or you don't remember installing. If you want to uninstall anything, normally select that and select uninstall. Alright, now we are going to talk about the step 7. We are going to clear our browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes viruses or malware can hide in our browser cache or cookies. Here's how to clean them. So normally we have to open our browser and then we have to click on the three dot bar on the top right corner and then select settings. And then we have to choose privacy and security. And here we have to click on this delete browsing data. And then we have to click on this advanced icon. And from here, we have to select the time range to all time. Or if we want, we can delete all of the browsing data. So normally click on the delete data button. And it's gonna delete all of the data of our browser, including cache and cookies. Now we are gonna talk about step 8. We are gonna update Windows 10 or 11 and our software. So normally we have to go to the settings and then we have to click on the update and security and then click on resume updates or check for updates, because sometimes malware takes advantage of outdated software vulnerabilities. Make sure your Windows 10 or 11 is up to date. So here you can see that it's downloading something. After downloading, we have to update our software. Make sure all your software and apps are updated to their latest versions. Now, step 9. We are going to enable Windows Defender real-time protection. Once you have cleaned your system, it's important to make sure Windows Defender is running real-time protection to prevent future threats. So we have to go to Windows Security Settings. Normally, click on the Start menu, select the gear icon, Updates and Security, and from here, Windows Security, and then click on Open Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection, and from here you can turn on real-time protection. So here you can see that I already installed Malwarebytes, so the option is not available here. If you didn't install it, then you will see an option to turn on real-time protection. Make sure it's always turned on. And after completing all of the steps, we have to restart our computer to ensure that all the changes take effect and that your system is clean and protected. That's all. And now you know how you can remove viruses from your Windows 10, 11 computer or laptop and keep your system safe and clean. By following these important steps, you can get rid of any malware or virus, boost your PC's performance, and prevent future issues. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.